welcome to New Tool Tuesday, a new series where we share some of the latest tools and equipment released in the industry. Each week, we'll share 5 new tools added to our website, Vehicle Service Pros, to help you stay informed on new releases. This week, we have 5 exciting tools to share with you. Our first tool is Carbine Tools 28-piece tamper-proof hex bit socket set. This set features a full range of SAE and metric pin and hex sizes. Each bit is precision machined from S2 steel and paired with durable chrome vanadium sockets. Next is the Vim Tools emblem and wheel weight removal tool, which is designed to remove stick-on wheel weights, emblems, decals, or anything else held in place with double-sided tape. The tool uses braided wax nylon string that quickly cuts through double-sided tape without damaging the finish underneath it. Our third tool is Milwaukee Tools M18 Hot Shot Jump Starter. This tool features spark-proof protection, reverse polarity protection, and overheat protection. It includes a 22.5-inch cable with custom clamp designs for easy access to battery terminals and offers an operating range between -4 degrees Fahrenheit and 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The next tool is Mattco Tools' 4.5-inch bit tube blowgun kit in blue, green, and orange. This tool is built to last with an improved internal spring that extends the life of the blowgun to approximately 500,000 cycles. The lightweight, user-friendly tool is made from high-impact plastic for easy control and durability. Finally, our last tool is Cox Reels' PTEN series model reel, an LED light that features a variety of industrial-grade options, including a 50,000-hour rating, internal light diffusers, and a shatter-resistant polycarbonate lens. Thanks so much for joining me today for New Tool Tuesday. If any of these products piqued your interest, give us a shout on our socials. Keep your eyes peeled for new products featured in both our newsletter and on our website by following the links below. See you next week.